Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is one more new update from Instagram. It is related to Instagram safety, how to keep your Instagram account more safe. So now there is an option of selfie verification. So due to any reason, if your account is getting blocked, disabled, or it is hacked, then you can easily recover it. So you have to upload your selfie video in Instagram. So whenever anything is happening, they will verify with the selfie that you will upload it while verifying your Instagram account. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use this new feature, and also let me know you have received this new update or not. Open your Instagram account and click on the three line you can see on the top right, and here you need to click on account center. So here you will see the option as password and security. So basically you need to come under account settings, then password and security. Here you will see a new option as verification selfie. You need to click on this and select your account, and you need to click on next. So you can read this, the text it is written here, and click on next. So here you need to enter the OTP that you have received in your registered email address. Once you will enter and click on continue, you will get the option to upload a selfie and you can submit. So that's all. I hope you will find this video useful.